Ever had this happen? The code is fine, the sensor is fine, but the project still fails. Sometimes the problem is just one loose jumper wire. This terminal expansion base is designed for the Arduino Nano ESP32. It turns temporary wiring into a cleaner, more reliable prototype system. It breaks out the Nano ESP32 MCU pins to clearly labeled, pluggable screw terminals. Connect sensors, buttons, relays, or external modules without soldering or loose jumpers. Setup is simple. Power off, check the orientation, and insert the Nano ESP32 into the center socket. Clear silkscreen labels help you find the right pins and reduce wiring mistakes. Insert 22 to 26 AWG wire, ends into the terminal, and tighten them. Compared with breadboard jumpers, this is better for semi-permanent builds, classroom demos, and repeated testing. One of the most useful features is the LED indicator for each channel. Instead of relying only on serial output, you can see logic level changes directly on the board. Need to measure a signal? The side debug headers make it easier to connect an oscilloscope or multimeter without crowding the wiring area. The acrylic base keeps the PCB contacts away from the work surface, helping reduce accidental shorts on metal benches or cluttered lab desks. For IoT developers, it quickly turns a Nano ESP32 into a tidy sensor or actuator node. Wiring is clearer and changes are faster. In education, the LEDs make abstract digital I/O visible. Students do not just hear the concept, they can actually observe signal states. For industrial prototyping and lab testing, the biggest value is reconfigurability. Swap sensors, actuators, or test points without rebuilding the entire breadboard. Before use, remember 5 things. Power off before wiring, use GPIO as 3.3V logic, check GND, 3.3V comma, and 5V labels, tighten screws without overdoing it, and use ESD care when handling the Nano ESP32. If you want cleaner wiring, clearer signal feedback, and easier debugging for Arduino Nano ESP32 projects, this terminal expansion base is a practical upgrade for your workbench. Subscribe for more hands-on tests.